In this video, you'll learn how to set up SPF, Dkim, and Dmarc in Google Workspace in just a few minutes, so you can protect your business email from spoofing and phishing. First, open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in with your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you have access to your domain's DNS settings, since you'll need to add records to enable email authentication. Next, set up SPF. Go to your domain registrar's DNS settings and add a new TXT record with the value v equals spf1 include :_spf.google.com all. This tells email servers that Google is authorized to send emails from your domain. Now, configure DKIM. In the Google Workspace admin console, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, Gmail, and click Authenticate Email. Generate a new Dkim key, copy the TXT record, and add it to your domain's DNS. After that, set up Dmarc. Add another TXT record in your DNS settings with the value v equals dmarc1, p equals quarantine, rua equals mail2, dmarc@yourdomain.com. This tells email providers how to handle messages that fail SPF or Dkim checks. Once all three records are added, wait for DNS propagation, which can take a few hours. You can verify everything is working by using free online tools like MX Toolbox to check the SPF, Dkim, and Dmarc records. And that's it. Your Google Workspace email is now fully protected with SPF, Dkim, and Dmarc authentication.